Yes, me wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. And me people, a story reach me about a man who get the blight fi go Canada pan a farm work. When him go Canada pan the farm work, him drop a Ontario, me people. Right? And when him drop a Ontario, he end up run off of the farm work program and go one place where them call Manitoba or something like that. You don't know me always can't call it Canada name them good, me don't know why. But him go one place named Manitoba, something like that. You know? And him end up in a one busy part where them call name Winnipeg or Winnipeggy, whatever they want to call it. Right? But people, this man was accused of indecently touching a 8-year-old little girl. And because of this, him get a 8-month jail time. Even though he was facing 14 years and then him get shipped back in yard. But the funny thing about this, you no need to know how this all occur and who is the person behind setting up all of this. Make we jump into the story right now. Me people, you have this brother here. This brother here, him face life hard when him there Jamaica, you know. Come from in the country. You know them type of little man they were. Them in the country, only thing them care about if you just run them little farm, do them little hustling and sitting, have a little money in them pocket. You never see them dress up yet. Them never really to trim up on something, cause them always at work. Is either them at work for somebody or them in them farm, or so them go to work. The only time you see them nice and dress up, and well get a nice little haircut and something and put on some nice clean pretty clothes, is when Christmas time come. It come like at the only time of the year, them put on some pretty clothes. Other than that, you see them whole and dirty and always not working, staying up clothes. Always working. You know, just a try to make ends meet and do them little thing. This man ain't have no pitney or nothing in Jamaica. Him just is a man that live on him own. Him no live with no woman, nothing. But them man them not really trouble nobody. Them man just a work and make sure that them have a little sitting, buy them little TV, and buy them little, and that's them enjoyment. Watch 2 show, go work, this, that. Them now worry about going out or nothing, me people. As me tell you no, the only time them man push out at Christmas time like them a Santa Claus. You understand me? I say the only time them man they beard off, you know, properly, put on a nice clean clothes. When you see them crisp. When them a walk, it come like a heist them a walk pan. For them not dress up regular. Anyway, me people, him did a go and box round and batter round at Jamaica. So till the councillor bless him with a little farm work card because he's a hard working man as me I tell you now. So him get a little bus with a farm work card. Him Japa Ontario, right? And him go Ontario, me people. But the farm work, the treatment pan the farm, me people. Oh gosh. All this hard work when this man are used to a Jamaica and everything. And the rough life. The treatment pan the farm was next to slavery, me people. The treatment pan the farm was rough feed, me people. And you know them man are used to fit there on the whole bag of people and sitting. So it tough on him. But anyway, me people. He did know of a little cousin we him have, right, in a Canada. Because remember, once you go foreign, all where your name know, who your name know, say they are foreign, then you not get no contact with them when you're there at Jamaica, you know. That's the first thing, you know. When you're there at Jamaica, any relative you have a foreign, them not reach out to you. You know when them reach out to you, when them see you take a picture, or them hear say they are foreign, them go all ends, them go heaven to hurt and go around and come back to get to you. Because them easy they are foreign. Reach out, go on. Him and this cousin here start link up and sitting. But this cousin was the cousin who was in this place where them call name Manitoba. You understand me I say? And this a cousin here, and him a tell him cousin what go on and him a cousin a chat. And it's a man cousin. I don't know woman, it's a man cousin down that side there. Right? And it happened as a cousin as a brother. Here what go on, man. Me I go find a way for we link up and for you get to me. Cut long story short, me people. The brother make the run feet and link up with him cousin in the Manitoba area, right? But the cousin say, alright, we are going to try if we sort you out in a Canada right now. Because see, they know you run off and something. But this a cousin here is a man now where really do mainly handyman work. And this a brother here, him good pan him, he can do every little thing. Because from him there Jamaica, them man fix them one little radio. Them TV broke down, they fix them one little TV. Them knock up them one little this. Them man they almost basically build them one house. You don't know them type of man there Jamaica. Them work and dust, them not be no trade man. Them work, make them money, buy them own material, and when you look them build them own clothes. And sometimes they build nice too, because they kind of skill with them hands. So this a man can do him like a handy thing. And a them kind of thing that the cousin in the area where him, in the place where him there. Manitoba or whatever them want call it. Right? Boom. The cousin say him about try make a link for him. But the cousin end up link up the brother you know with a Jamaican woman. But that woman in Canada, long time, that woman is good in Canada, alright. You understand me, I say? Have her own little house or something, but she have a 8-year-old daughter live with. You get me? And you know from man go Canada, no, you not go, I don't know, them rough life, they when they're Jamaica, beard up face and look dirty and sitting. You must go buy one, two little cheap dollar sitting or $5 sitting and put on, and you kind of little clean up, you know, you have to trim and keep yourself up to standard. Anyway, my people, the cousin link him up with the woman. Right? Him and the woman attack and sitting and thing. Remember, you know, this man and no woman a Jamaica, you know. This a woman a Jamaica woman they up there, you know, so focus in there with the 8-year-old daughter and thing and a do I thing. No man, nothing, and so and so. But she quick to go with a man where, no, we come from Jamaica with more depend the little quieter side and them something there, a hard working man and stuff. So them talk over phone, this, that, ray, and sitting till things start happening now, my people. You know? Woman and him start link up now, so you know tailpipe start whistle and the woman want the tailpipe on a regular. Can look like a long time. This a woman you film baby father mash up. Kind daughter hate, but it look like a long time. This a woman you no get no saka, me people. It look like say, here's this a woman you no get rub at all. So me tell you say, the tailpipe whistling was on demand. And this man ya have the energy to whistle the tailpipe. Cause when him there Jamaica, him no really have no woman. If him want little saka, him have to make sure say, him go a one of them places go spend a money. If you know what me a talk about, you understand kind of no girlfriend. So when him work hard and get in little thing and all he come to sir, him spend him little money and get when he get. Tailpipe depend the man. And this a man ya, he must supply he must supply, you know, when the demand come in. He must whistle tailpipe. I don't know the type of man, you know. We come like a jailhouse, them a come from for 10 years, you know. We now whistle long time, you know. Them whistle tailpipe till tailpipe run hot. All bruise off. As you say, who they ready. And the woman love that. The woman no short of them sitting there. But here was the downside to it. That brother here was more upon the little quiet side, me people. You understand me, I say? And the woman start ill treat the man. The woman start treat the man away. You understand me, I say? But the treatment never just happen one boom, so me people. It never just happen one boom. You understand? Them set up where them are set up. Do what them a do, him did it with the woman, and them married. You understand me, I say? Them get married. Because remember, everything set for this man, alright, can him run off, him no straight in the country. A little linkage with him and the woman a make, and to him a whistle the tailpipe and the woman understand. You no straight in the country, me good, me there years, pan top of years, know me alright and good. The woman know the system. They married and the woman say, alright, things are go on. Things are happen. But the treatment pan the brother ya, no nice. The treatment no good. But the brother always, as me I say, have a little work, him a do him little handy this, handy that. The man can't do anything, he can't fix any little thing. He can't paint any little way. Any little carpenter work, any little landscaping work, any little paint, any little thing you have to do, them man can't do it. Them little jack of all trade kind of handyman there. Any little electrical nothing, him can do and him never gone to electrical school. He never learn none of them trade there. So, any little thing, you can call and him can make a money off of it. So, him a doing little thing. All of the little connect them with them know and the cousin a keep track with him all the while. And I make any linkage for him. People, him did it with the Jamaican woman you know. And the little 8-year-old daughter did it. Him treat the 8-year-old daughter so good and everything and nice. You know me I say, kind of no pitney for himself. And I'm married to this woman and they with the woman now. And them did it. Over a year run off, them did it, me people, them did it. You understand me I say, but the treatment is getting worse and worse. This woman basically, I am control the man then. I him control him. And you know the man afraid to end up back at Jamaica and him kind of more on the quiet side. So him not to make no problem but the treatment not right. And him advice out to him cousin and Ray and I tell him cousin Wagwan and the cousin I tell him to wall out and sitting. Anyway you know me people. It happened that this man come like he got turn top gallus in Canada. But if more him work for some little people, and you know him quiet and nice, and some people start take on to him. And you start know 1 and 2 little people here and there. Because by this him there in a Winnipeg. And based on what them say to me, Winnipeg is a busy little place. You understand me I say? Mix up with Jamaican and every kind of smaddy. So him a buck up on more similar people now. Caribbean people, this, that. And them little sitting there. Me people, the treatment start get to the brother. You understand? And him buck up on this woman and you know, him a talk to the woman where him a got through and them little something there. So him and the woman a start get little closest too. Them a get little closer and close. But the wife know, which is the Jamaica woman, you understand? Start realize say, sometime him a get some phone call and them look something and him a talk on phone and like him a say, you know Miss Dan who did go work for what day and something. Say she them a cook dinner such and such a come so he can come over and come have food and them look something there and way. The wife no like this none tall. None tall, she not having it. You understand? So you know now, this was a little problem for the wife because the wife realized that him and know little people now and a come little friend with other little people now and this and that and them little thing there. And we get a little one ring pan him phone, somebody a check up on him and them little something there, which it a beat the wife because the wife know say him not treat this man good. So remember how them thing are going on. Yes, when you're there with somebody, when you say them not treat you good and them a ill treat you, them worry when you talk on your phone. Or when you not talk nothing at all about them. Or not tell nobody your business. Them worry. Them get paranoid. If you dip on your phone and slaughter them, or you dip on a phone you tell people how them a treat you. Them always get paranoid and at this start take the woman. They don't know so them did they go on, me people. Till the treatment gets so bad. Till the woman all run out the man one night time, you know, no know say a Canada that, you know, people. Place cool and them something there, you know. And at the same little friend, you know, make we say Miss Dan then. At the same little friend, yeah, where them no really not nothing, you know. Of such, you know. You hear me I say me people, it's just a little lady we check for the brother because him and the brother always help him out. This a woman ya neither no man in yard. Me no know what wrong with the Canada woman there. I don't know. But he come like 3/4 of the Canada woman then no man. He come like them just live by themselves. They just have little money and buy them house and just live by themselves. No man no in there. And look how Canada cool. You understand me I say? But anyway, my people, the woman start feel like say things are going with the man and the little lady, Miss Dan. But really and truly, Miss Dan just check for the brother because them talk and any little thing of this man him call fi come help do it and him pay the man too. Cause remember me tell you I saw the man make him little shilling. And the man thing and him nah kill up himself and that a him work. And he take time and know people. And you know word go round. If me know you and me do a good job and he save you X amount of money, cause you know. You know call one little man call out fi come change a light bulb for X amount of money. Fi come change one switch a extra amount of money. So if you are come charge me 140 or 150 Canadian dollar fi change one light switch. And one little smart way me know can take a 20 or this or that or way. It work out. Me people. When the treatment gets so bad when the woman kick out the man, and the man go stay with Miss Dan then, and ting. And him did it for just over a week. And the woman call him down this, that, way, until him end up go back home. Cause remember, I'm wife this. And no, him not good in a Canada yet, me people. You understand? Him and him cousin chat on the phone. Him a tell him cousin say, yo, him no want go back there so cause you don't really know what go on. And so. He nah no problem cause Miss Dan have place over there where he can stay. You understand me I say? But the only problem now him and that woman they married him and know how it a go. And him want straighten up himself. Me people. He go back home. But you see the go back home, me people. It come like a plan the woman plan say. And not just, yes, so yeah, come back home. Yeah, go back home right at Jamaica. Come like a that, the little woman did their plan. So sometime when you run we go foreign, and when they will not own country woman them, they can be Jamaican or whatever. Even same Caribbean woman, and let me tell you this. They're wickeder than the woman them of that country. Remember me tell you. Them even more devious when them want to send you more of your yard back at Jamaica back in the sufferation. Because them know the sufferation at Jamaica, you know. So them know exactly where they must send you back in. And remember your little woman say you would have flush out everything and talk everything and tell them why you used to go through your childhood, what kind of life you used to live at Jamaica, where you go back home to, and all them sitting there. So the woman knows that this a man in the pan nothing. Him no depend nothing. Nothing in a guan FEMA Jamaica. The little one farm work card was like a ticket to heaven in get. And the best thing he could have get in her life. So the woman knows say if you end up back at Jamaica, you are going to suffer like dog. People, what do you think the woman do? What do you think this woman do? This woman no do nothing at all, me people. More than draw allegation when the man catch up again. And the man decides say him a go left. You see when the man left and gone and Miss Dan, when he say he can't stay know that little lady will check for him. You don't know see a police come for the man. A police go for him, me people. Police go for him. For attempted RAPE of the woman little 8-year-old daughter. You hear me I say? The woman cook up allegation with him little daughter. The same Jamaica woman where him cousin set him up with. Where him go through all the treatment him little wife. We're supposed to help him to straighten him out in there. But the bad treatment them the man get can run from the farm. Where he come like a slave when he can't manage the treatment. But he come like him jump out a frying pan and jump right into the fire. He better if he will stay in the frying pan, me people. The man jump out of the frying pan and jump right into the fire, me people. Remember me tell you that. The woman accused the man of trying to RAPE in little daughter. And the police then come for him. Bearing in mind now, this look away upon him because through him when go left the yard and gone other woman yard, it can also look like you really did do something. And then when woman squawks them pitney, remember this a woman and him pitney live for you long. Anything when him say pitney have to work with. Woman squawks them pitney and said this a man you do this and indecently touch them data and try fit this and touch this and all them look something there. Next thing you know, police pan him case. First, they lock him up. Then when them lock him up, no, you know. Member say him there at the place and him not fully straighted in the country, you know, my people. Yeah, and him married, yes, but everything not finalized. Everything just a process and them go something there. And this a woman yeah, nah go no further with nothing. Because the woman wants to send him in the yard. You don't know, say, end up, my people. till the man lock him down for the same RAP, you know, my people. Because he have no proof that he didn't indecently touch the little 8-year-old girl. And the mother had a man and the little pitney test. He say, yes, he touch me here and touch me there and try this and try that. 18 months under his skin, my people. He was looking at 14 years because the child was under 16-year-old. Anybody in Canada who know them something ago. Because the child was under 16-year-old, it was more severe. And the man get 18 months. And him not get 18 months because of that the time that them a give him. Him only get 18 months in a jailhouse because them a send him back to Jamaica. So maybe if he were still a go there, I would not get the whole 14 years. Him just get 18 months in a jailhouse, and when him a move out of jailhouse, I him go back right back at Jamaica, my people. Because that was the woman intention all along. Because the woman fear say him there with this Miss Dania or something go on with Miss Dan and know him have help, so people are going to influence him and tell him the right procedure if he got through. Because of the bad treatment where him get and all them little something there, and somebody they will check for him now and all them little thing them, my people. Boy, the cousin never feel good because right now the cousin a priest say, yo, it almost come like the cousin a priest say him care the man then also go end him up in a jailhouse. And set him up with this a devil woman, yeah. But then again, the cousin never dealt with this woman before, so the cousin couldn't know how woman stay. See me and come live with me are two different things. Me can know somebody and me know him as the best person in the world, but guess what? I never live a night with this woman yet. Me and this woman never in a relationship yet, so I don't know how this woman stay relationship-wise. So there is no way the cousin could be blamed for nothing. You understand? The cousin I try to help him out at the end of the day. And this man ya end up out of the frying pan and right in the fire, me people. This woman ya come like all him I imagine. Is this man ya can be telling you, when the man and that woman ya just get together, you know. Tailpipe no tap, whistle pan the man. And no ask if him not supply the tailpipe. I don't know some man will come like say a prison them a come from, you know. We never have no man long time with all of the aisle they clog up in them back, you know. Then we walk. Then the woman they 20 times for the day non-stop, every day for the month tailpipe we whistle. And them just ready again because of the one woman they have a slap. Remember me tell you that. But it come like a them thing and the woman I imagine say, Lord God. Then go imagine him and Miss Dan over there now. Come like a them thing and hit the woman brain. So the woman stay there and cook up them something upon the man. Cookie up. Allegation. Say the man do this. And me tell you know why. Me really believe that story I say. Him never do it. See when them send back the man to Jamaica. Every minute, he will just there one place and break down in a tears. Break down in a tears, my people. If you do something like them there, and you know in your heart say you do it, me not think say you're so wicked in yourself that when you sit down and a member say, people tell lie and you and do them sitting there, you break down in a tears. If you do that, you convince me say you're wicked then. But me, I say for your man, I break down in a tears all the while, so if you want take him. I lie them tell upon him, man. A allegation, man. But guess what? You see, when allegation drop on you and you can't prove yourself, is another thing against you again. And you don't have money to spend for a liar to fight it for you, and all liar go prove it. When you and a woman and then little pitney in the same house, and the woman draw the allegation and the little pitney support it 100%, who is there as your witness? Nobody. So you can defend yourself. 18 months in a jailhouse, end up back at Jamaica, right back at square one. And then no more chance of him ending up back at Canada again. Him can't get another farm work ticket because he done that to him name already. So him do 18 months in a jail and him get past certain in go jail for certain things. And the worst thing that for nobody let in the country pan. RAPE. Especially a minor under 16-year-old. The man end up back at Jamaica. Just trying as a hard working man. And look where him end up. That's why sometimes, you see, enough man we cuss certain nation woman. Whether that them want to say white woman, Spanish woman, Latino, ray, or this as Smadia, or Black American, ray. But sometimes even your own nation woman, or your own Caribbean woman them even more devious because they know exactly what they are sending you back to. So them work hard to send you back to it. And make sure say it happen. And them sit down and meds and think what me can use to mash him up the right way. And people, she plan and trust me, our plan work. Right now this brother they down there, right back on him face. No, we're better than when he went left me people. Only thing him down there live with is regrets. Every now and then just burst out in a tears. Can't believe say somebody do that to him. Tell them lie upon him and make him go through them kind of ordeal there. And then who was there to help him? Nobody. Because who is his witness in all of this? Just him and God. Believe. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. We no ask nobody nothing. And nobody now have to tell them nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.